Good morning, traders. Here's Alpha Fibonacci System in front of you on December 12th, 3 days before FOMC. In front of you, crucial, critical, key day trading range. If this support remains intact, it confirms that institutions keep buying the market. So when CEO joining us this morning, intelligent, successful trader who is trading it all with Alpha Fibonacci System, CEO knows these are extremely aggressive trades. Nothing else is possible, only this. Price been stuck here for the last 6 hours. So let's go to institutional chart so you understand how important this week is in the markets. This is a problem to the upside. This is institutional brick wall. This is where trading is brutal. If price remains stuck at this level with institutional overextended rally, it's a problem. Day trader needs sell-off. Day trader needs a crash. But again, crash depends on this level to the downside first this morning on every single chart. As of course, as intelligent human being you recognize, price evolves from the smallest to the largest charts. So when you trade markets as ultimate alpha Fibonacci expansion, you're riding institutional power because you understand combination of micro with macro power. That's it. And that's ultimate reminder of knowing where to exit your short. That's ultimate reminder knowing where to expect bullish reversal. Do not overcomplicate trading, please. But remember, no software ever required. So again, in case you missed, this is what played out this morning. This is the short we discussed. As price reminded you again and again and again, this is ultimate alpha Fibonacci precision, knowing where price would reverse from. That's it. Again, day trading with Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8. Trades played out on multiple charts that we will review in the live class after the close of the trading room. I project the software on one, so you remember forever not to gamble, not to speculate, to trade with ultimate precision only, as intelligent trader does, even 1:51 in the morning. That's it. That's your trading range. That's brutal and nasty. If you understand this, you're walking away. You're preserving your brain power for spectacular market. As again and again, this is your trading range for the last 6 hours. You can manage this. You can trade all markets forever. This is a gift when you are in the course now. That's it. 6 hours of this. CEO manages it, no problem. That's it. As CEO says, even though it was aggressive trade, there was co-influence of multiple trades. This is the power. Trade markets as intelligent trader, please. Nothing else is possible, only this. And this can last 16 hours, and this can last 80 hours, and this can last days. Again and again and again. This is crucial critical institutional chart. Let me remind you in case you missed. This is where trading is easy. This is where institutions waiting for orders to be filled. Here's the market on the last week of September. Here is critical key, institutional buy point, market selling off. What do we discuss with students? There's only one option to monitor for long. We discussed with students that market been bought at this level since 2020. All the details in Thursday class and modules 3 and 4 with more than 300 videos. So when you know months in advance where trading is easy, you are canceling vacations, you are glued to the screen. October is a dream. Inflation is horrific. Rates are raised. How is it possible institutions keep buying the market? Of course, market reverses 300 points plus. So what played out on Friday was a historical event. You finally saw institutional profit taking. Correct? As bullish rally reached ultimate alpha Fibonacci brick wall. 500 points later, profit taking is on. You are not a gambler, you are extremely clear why trading is so challenging this morning. It's simple. Profit taking reached critical key institutional buy point. Market been bought at this level for the last 2 weeks. Stunning and flawless. That's it. So please understand, market is flawless alpha Fibonacci chess. Never short near institutional buy point. Please remember where to take profits off the table. Remember how to obey the rules. And when you do, you can trade it all with Alpha Fibonacci system. No software required. Never, ever, ever. As CEO shares, this overall narrative of magnetic inflection point is breathtaking. Absolutely no second guessing here. So when you see the power of this instantly in the live markets with Alpha Fibonacci software or without, you can trade anything and everything you choose. Let's go to the other markets now as S&P remains stuck in crawl. US dollar traders looks identical as S&P, charts are twins. Is everyone clear how US dollar bounced spectacularly? I'm on my way to Canada. I would love to see much more of this bounce. So when we're traveling the world and seeing spectacular, breathtaking US dollar rally, this bearish correction will define US dollar for years to come. 3,200, 130,000 is a crucial key historical level on US dollar now. But again, if you missed all the events in the trading room, here US dollar before the crash. In October, first week. Everyone clear on this? Do you remember where S&P is now? Do you? Does this look familiar? Charts are twins across every single instrument. every single time. This is S&P on 5, on 3, on 10, on 15, on any chart you choose to trade. This is software right now. This is a problem. Huge, huge problem. Critical, crucial, nasty chap. Intelligent trader walking away, knowing quite well. If you're ever shorting near this level, you're gambling with your money. Trading range becomes smaller and smaller, market becoming more painful. That's it. Nothing else is possible. Only this. We need the market here again and again and again. This is where intelligent trader will exhale. If not, problem becoming bigger and bigger as price remains stuck higher and higher. That's it. On US dollar, this is a lifeline to the downside. As again, I expect US dollar to skyrocket drastically higher and higher and higher. But if I bring to your attention gold, what is extremely important reminder, gold is not safe haven. Please do not jump to gold, I beg of you, as gold showing you clearly 2100 is a war zone. Do not speculate, do not gamble with your money. Understand. Many, many months in advance. March 2022, this is a place you short gold from. You are not buying gold at this level. Here's gold on March 1st, 2022, before the crash. That's it. But this is S&P right now, without any delays. Looks familiar? It's weakness, it's crawl, it's pain. But again, to remember where it's coming from? It's coming from reversal zone. It's exact same thing on every instrument. Ultimate precision only. And that's the reason my students are dearest friends for life. Day trading is only for those who can pass psychological test and operate as a sniper. If not, use system long term. Look at the charts once a day, once a week, once a month, once a year. Do not buy gold because inflation skyrocketing at 2100 level. Sell off on gold from 2100 to 1600 was spectacular during the worst rate increase in US. There is no surprise, all precise. Market is Alpha Fibonacci chess. That's it. Gold this morning skyrocketing. Do you remember what playing out on S&P in front of you right now? Is anyone surprised? Not my students. To the tick. And that's exact same place where gold reversed from for the last 4 months. So when you trade markets as intelligent, strategic human being, you can trade all instruments, all time frames. Day trading not for everyone, but anyone can trade system long term. Gold and S&P on institutional charts look identical, are twins. Tesla keeps selling off, keeps collapsing. 160 is a lifeline on Tesla. 160 is out, much more space further to the upside. If Tesla fails to break through 200 level to the upside. But you also know many months in advance this will be war zone on Tesla. But again and again and again, it is all playing out in front of you to the tick right now. Ultimate Alpha Fibonacci chess. So when I teach JP Morgan traders identical system, and JP Morgan traders leave and start their own hedge funds, you're paying only a few $1,000s for institutional system, and you see ultimate precision every single day. I look forward meeting you soon in Canada if you are my student, then in New York, and maybe in London, and maybe in Paris, and Dubai to follow. That's it. Choice is yours. What do you want to trade? Day trading not for everyone. Market is brutal with the last 6 hours. What you will do during FOMC on positions you hold is a crucial part. Apple in excruciating pain. Do you remember the sell-off? In case you missed, let me take you back to Apple to the month of August. Here we are. You're not a gambler, you're not trading on earnings. You know quite well. Expect sell-off and crash from 175. Apple crashing and selling off, doing exact same thing as S&P doing in front of you now. Remember that? There is no other options. Price moves beautifully one step at a time from reversal zone identified well before market open. So when Apple selling off from this level for many months, you're not losing your money. You're not a gambler. You're not trading on noise. When buyers step in with vengeance on Apple at 140 level, it's exact same thing keeps happening on Apple non-stop. 140 is extremely famous buy level on Apple. Poor Apple. Selling off can't even crawl up to reversal zone. But again, it's all playing out in front of you to the tick right now. Again, it's a gift if price will crawl down to this level. There is nothing else this morning, only this. Ultimate precision during brutal market conditions. So Apple remains stuck in ultimate bullish weakness only. So what are we paying attention to on S&P? As S&P crawling lower, reminding you precision of Alpha Fibonacci chess. Do you remember where price reversed from? Price reached this level. This is crucial key target zone. So if you shorted the market, again, this is where you exit your short. If you're trading single and double lot size, it's crucial. If you're trading multiple lot sizes, you stop outside of break even and 80% of your position is off. Market remains at this level, it will become more challenging to trade. Market is here, you can exhale. It will become a whole lot easier to trade. Brutal market conditions in extremely narrow trading range with ultimate precision only. Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8. No software here. Apple in bullish correction only between 140 and 159. Buyers extremely weak on Apple for the last 6 months. So here's bonds institutional chart in front of you this morning. Bullish rally on bonds overextended. And again, sell-off on bonds is a stunning reminder. Do not gamble, do not buy bonds at reversal zone. If you're buying bonds here. Correct? Does this look familiar? It all plays out in front of you. To the tick, as trade reached reversal zone. What is the problem? Buyers are weak. Price is stuck. This is day trading? This is not. This is your brilliant, intelligent brain and your spectacular trade. Bonds are in pain as expected. 134 is institutional brick wall on bonds, as it is on Apple this morning. Charts are twins. But again and again and again, you don't have to wait for days, weeks, and months. You knew many months in advance, October 2022, where to buy bonds from. This morning, major problem on bonds. Oops, that's it. No speculation here. Ultimate precision only. You don't have to wait to see it for weeks and months. You see it in the trading room instantly. But again and again and again, day trading is only for those who are psychologically stable, who are not chasing markets. Only those who can operate with sniper's precision, with the power of Alpha Fibonacci software and your brilliant, intelligent brain, you can trade even during the worst market conditions. That's it, even in the middle of the night. In the course this morning, we have 5 continents. We have US, Australia, Europe. We have South Africa present. And if you are in any of those countries, even in Moscow or Ukraine this morning, those are the students who here now. That's it. Every student, different experience. Every student, different instrument. And that's what you witness in the trading room every single day. But please make a personal decision what's appropriate for you. And if you come to the course in the middle of the night, I applaud you. This afternoon, I also mentor another student in Australia. Tomorrow, I work with student in Dubai. But in the group course, students from all over the world, with different account, with different background. I teach you exact same system I taught to JP Morgan traders who left JP Morgan and started their own hedge fund. So if you account $500 or 500 million, you learn exact same rules. And again, you witness in front of you the importance by trading with Alpha Fibonacci rules without any delay. So before FOMC, bonds will be testing this level again and again and again. And you knew all of this many months in advance. That's it. What institutional chart will do next is exactly the same what you see on day trading chart. This is your trading institutional levels on S&P. This is your day trading levels on S&P during the worst market conditions. You can manage this, you can trade this. The skies are the limit. No software required. Never, ever, ever. So if you're joining us, trading will become an addiction, I warn you. As you will see, that market is ultimate alpha Fibonacci chess. You can always join us in the trading room by signing up for invitation. But if you review all the basics on the homepage, you will see clearly that you can trade across all instruments, all platforms, all time frames. You can trade on Thinkorswim, on TradeStation, on Sierra Charts, on Infinity, on TradingView, on MT4, on MT5, on interactive brokers, on platforms I never heard of. If price exists, if Fibonacci retracement tool exists, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system. Or with software for NinjaTrader 8. System traded by hedge fund managers all over the world who bringing their children to the course. Husbands who bringing their wives to the course. Choose from option appropriate for you. And again, listen to students' podcasts. I met with Ken in London, and when his daughter writing me the most incredible card is one of the highlights this year. So please, view emails I receive from traders from all over the world. I cannot upload tens of thousands of emails, but I promise you, if these traders can trade, so can you. So please, choose the option appropriate for you. Private mentoring, the most desirable option, savings $8,000, includes it all. Lifetime software Ninja 8 and lifetime system for all platforms. Includes all group classes, all videos, all modules, as it is also included in every single option. You can view hundreds and hundreds of videos of prior live recorded classes 24/7. But if you can come to live classes, I live and breathe what I do. I'm very proud of what I developed, and I look forward teaching you how you could have traded this year 5 minutes and could have produced 800 points on S&P and hundreds of points on bonds. You see it in a single class. Option 1 and 3, no software required. Second option, the most popular option, savings $5,000. Includes lifetime software for Ninja 8, lifetime system for all platforms, and live classes video modules included. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As you witnessed again this morning, market is flawless, alpha, Fibonacci chess. You can trade as day trader, or you can trade as position trader. No software required. Choice is yours. Pure and simple. Do not over-complicate trading. Again, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. We will take a break. After a break, we're off to the live class. So if you're joining us now, you will be in the live class next, where you will witness how you could have worked 5 minutes this year, producing hundreds of points on S&P, or bonds, or Apple, or any instrument you choose to trade.